The fleeing baby brought down more walls of the hut. He broke the wall of the hut more now. Nalia let out a long, painful cry as he looked at the shambles that had once been his house. And he is crying with a loud noise. He is making noise with anger, and he is looking at his wall of those huts. That is his hut. He is looking that once this was a hut, it was my house, but now it is broken completely. It's become into a mess. My hut has become into a mess. Get the corn key, Nalia barked. Now barked, that is with anger. Actually we use this word for dog, but he is shouting with anger. And what does he say? Get the corn key. That is, who is this corn key? Let's read. The corn key was the trained elephant. He is calling for the trained elephant. His name is Conky. He's saying, go bring that trained elephant. We will have to rope the calf. He's saying, we will have to tie a rope to this baby elephant. We must do something, Babul said urgently. If they bring the Conky, the calf doesn't stand a chance. Now those boys are saying, Babul is saying, if he brings that trained elephant, then it will become very difficult. We should do something. Come, said Dania, I know a trick that might work. So one of the boys saying that Dania is saying, I know one trick. He led his companions far away from Nalia's hutment and stopped at the point where a narrow trail led into the sanctuary. So he took the boys aside. He's saying, you come far away from this place, far from his hut. A narrow trail, that is a small gap was there in between their huts. He took him there, which led to the sanctuary, into the jungle. They are standing there now. Dania put 2 fingers to his mouth and let out a piercing whistle. They are standing at that narrow path, a small path from his hut to that sanctuary. All of them are standing there, and he whistled. This boy, Dania, he whistled very loudly. This was a trick his father, an experienced elephant man, had taught him. This was one trick which his father had taught him, to whistle. The effect of the whistle on the baby elephant was electric. He knew this trick, that when they will whistle, the baby elephant will run with like an electric, with force. The effect of the whistle on the baby elephant was electric. With great speed, it took off in the direction from which the whistle had come. It ran with great speed when it heard the whistle in the direction from which the whistle had come. It came to that direction only, where they were standing in that narrow passage. By now, the baby had gauged its own strength, and now the baby elephant had realized that it had really strength. Previously, it had stayed away from the bamboo barrier, but now it rammed straight into the gate. He is realizing, first I was behind that fence, bamboo fence, but now I have broken that hut, so I have strength. He is realizing that, baby elephant. The weak structure came apart and the baby was out. It raced to the waiting boys, who gave it a hurried but affectionate welcome, and it rushed with great force and speed, passing through the gate of that Nalia's hut.